Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online English literature class, and you all remember that last week we have started with our new chapter in English literature, that is chapter number 4, The Monkey Band. So last week we have done English literature only for 2 days, that was on Monday and Tuesday, and on Monday I have explained you half story, and on Tuesday I have explained you other half story, and on Monday I have given you notebook exercise of hard words, and on Tuesday I gave you notebook exercise of word meanings. So today children, in this first part video, as you all know that you all are getting 2 videos daily in every subject, so the first part video for today's assignment will be of full explanation of the story, in which first of all I will read each and every part of the story very clearly for you all, so that you will come to know how to read and you will improve your reading skills with that. And then I will explain it to you, and then after that in part 2 video we will be doing one notebook exercise. Is that clear? So are you all ready for that? Very good. So first of all, please take out your Buzzword English Reader book, that is for class 2, book number 2. Okay, and then please turn the page, turn your book on page number 39. Okay, as you can see on page number 39, heading of the chapter is given chapter number 4, The Monkey Band. Is that clear? Now turn the page to page number 40. As you can see here, it is given page number 40. So in on this page we are starting with the story. Okay, so children, remember that listen to this video very carefully, as I will be reading each and every word, each and every sentence of this story very nicely, so that you can understand, and you can understand the correct meaning and correct pronunciation of each and every word in this story. So are you all ready children? Very good. Let's get started. So in this video children, first of all I am going to read and explain, so listen to it very carefully. Starting with it. Mowgli was a little boy who lived in a jungle. He was walking through the jungle one bright morning, singing a merry song. On the way, he met his friend Baloo the bear. Now in this paragraph we have understood that Mowgli was a little boy who used to live in jungle. In this picture you can see this boy, his name is Mowgli, and he used to live in a jungle. Okay, he was walking through the jungle one bright morning and he was singing a merry song. वो बहुत खुश होके एक song गा रहा था. On the way he met his friend Baloo the bear. Now in this picture you can see bear, and this is a bear whose name is Baloo. Okay, he was Mowgli's best friend. Okay, then what happened? What a beautiful song, said Baloo. I wish there was some music for your song, but I cannot play any music for you. Now here the bear said to Baloo the bear said to Mowgli that it is such a beautiful song. I wish कि मेरे को एक ऐसा, मतलब आपने इतना अच्छा सॉन्ग गाया है, मैं चाहता था कि एक अच्छा सा म्यूजिक और इस सॉन्ग के लिए हो जाता, बट आई कैन नॉट प्ले द म्यूजिक फॉर यू. मेरे को तो आता ही नहीं है, तो मैं म्यूजिक प्ले कर नहीं सकता. सडनली देयर वॉज अ साउंड इन द ब्रांचेस अबव देम. एकदम से उनके ऊपर जो पेड़ की ब्रांचेस थी उस पे से उनको कुछ साउंड सुनाई दिया. Baloo and Mowgli looked up. It was the monkeys howling and shrieking. Now अब वो किसकी आवाज थी? जो पेड़ पे monkeys थे उनके चिल्लाने की, चीखने की आवाज थी. Okay, howling and shrieking, making loud noise. The monkeys always made a lot of noise. You all know that when there is a group of monkeys, many monkeys are sitting in one place, then there's a lot of noise. They create a lot of noise. We heard you, they chattered. Now they said that we heard you. We can play music for you. They told Baloo and Mowgli that we heard you talking about the music, and we can play music for you. Okay, but Baloo asked the monkeys that how can you play music? You don't have guitars, drums or any musical instruments like that, said Balu. Now what did Balu said? कि आपके पास तो ना तो गिटार है, ना ड्रम्स है, ना ही कोई म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, तो आप कैसे सॉन्ग कैसे म्यूजिक प्ले करोगे? सो द monkeys just laughed. The monkeys just laughed. We don't need any of them, they cried. Now all the monkeys said that we don't need any of them. हमें इन सब चीजों की जरूरत नहीं है. We will make the sound naturally. Okay. The monkeys jumped over to the hollow trunk of an oak tree lying on the ground. Now oak tree, what is an oak tree, children? I explained you. Oak trees are very large trees that grow in cold places. Okay. सर्दी वाली जगहों पे ये ट्रीज होती हैं और बहुत लंबी ट्रीज होती हैं. सो वो कोई एक ओक ट्री थी जो ग्राउंड पे पड़ी हुई थी. ओके. एंड ऑल द मंकीज जम्प्ड ओवर द हॉलो ट्रंक. उसके अंदर जो हॉलो ट्रंक था उसमें वो कूद गए. They hit it with their hands and made a nice sound. Now they started hitting that oak tree with their hands. Okay, उन्होंने उसके ट्रंक को, ओक ट्री के ट्रंक को हिट करना हाथ से शुरू कर दिया. एंड मेड अ नाइस साउंड. और उसमें से जो साउंड निकला बड़ा अच्छा साउंड बनाया. कैसा साउंड था? डग बग डब दबा डब डब. ओके, सो दिस वाज द साउंड फ्रॉम एन ओक ट्री. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट पार्ट. सम ऑफ देम ब्रॉट ड्राइड gourds with seeds in them and started shaking them like rattles. Now what happened next? Then after making after making such a nice sound out of oak tree, the monkeys then brought dried gourds. Like, what are gourds, children? Fruits which have hard skin but they have soft flesh inside with seeds. Okay, like for example pumpkins. Okay, so they started making shaking them. They started shaking the gourds with seeds in them. And how they were shaking it? Like rattles. Now what are rattles, children? It is a kind of toy which small kids use, and when they shake them it makes a sound. Okay, आपने देखा होगा in हिंदी it is known as झुनझुना. Okay, जब छोटे बच्चों को हम झुनझुना देते हैं तो वो जब उसको हिलाते हैं, शेक करते हैं, तो उसमें से एक साउंड निकलता है. So what was the sound like? Chang chang changa chang chang. Okay, now this was the sound which was made out of gourds. Okay, then come the next part. A few monkeys tied some vines to a few branches and began to play them like guitars. Now what happened next? कुछ monkeys ने जो climbers की vines होती हैं, कुछ branches की, उसको उन सारी वाइन्स को इकट्ठा करके उनको एक जगह बांध दिया. एंड देन दे played with those vines like guitars. उनको गिटार्स की स्ट्रिंग की तरह प्ले करना शुरू कर दिया. And what was the sound from that? Twang twang. Like, and what was the full sound from that from those vines which were used as guitars? Twang 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 twanga twang. Okay, twang 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 twanga twang. This was the sound which the monkeys made out of the vines, tied vines. Okay, then what a wonderful music band you make, exclaimed Mowgli. Now Mowgli exclaimed, or Mowgli said that it was such a wonderful music band that you made. So Mowgli sang his song and his monkey band played along with him. Now next what happened? Children, Mowgli again started singing the song, the same song, and all the monkeys started playing the music with him. Okay, they all the monkeys made a band. They all together, when all the monkeys started playing with different things to make sounds, so they prepared one band. Okay, and then when Mowgli started singing his song again, then they played the music with him. Okay, the sound of the band was so good that Baloo had to dance and sing too. Now what happened? The sound of the band which monkeys prepared was so good, it was so tempting, it was so good that Baloo had to dance and sing too. बालू को इतना अच्छा लगा वो सॉन्ग सुन के म्यूजिक के साथ दैट ही ऑल्सो वॉन्टेड टू डांस एंड सिंग. एंड सो how he expressed his feeling by dancing and singing boppity doo da boppity doo doo. Okay, so this was the sound which Balu was making, or Balu was singing and dancing. Okay, what a lovely time they had. So it was such a lovely time all the monkeys and Balu and Mowgli had with each with among themselves. They were very happy, they were having a great time with each other. Okay, so that is all in this story, children. I hope you all have understood. Now please switch on to my part 1 video for the next exercise.